Hi, I am Digvijay Kumar of Standard 12th PCB stream. Today I am going to talk about my chemistry art integrated project on the topic compare the agriculture resources and production of different crops of Jharkhand and Goa. Introduction of Goa. Goa is a state on the southwestern coast of India within the region known as Konkan and geographically separated from the Deccan Highlands by the Western Ghats. It is surrounded by the Indian states of Maharashtra to the north and Karnataka to the east and south, while the Arabian Sea forming its western coast. It is India's smallest state by area and is fourth smallest state by population. Panji is the state's capital, while Vasco da Gama is the largest city. The historic city of Margao in Goa still exhibits the cultural influence of the Portuguese. Geography of Goa. Goa is a part of the coastal country known as the Konkan, which is a escarpment rising up the Western Ghats range of mountains, which separate it from Deccan Plateau. The highest point is the Sonsogor, which with an altitude of 1167 meters. Goa has a coastline of 160 kilometers. Goa has more than 40 estuarine, 8 marine, and about 90 riverine islands. The total navigable length of Goa's rivers is 253 kilometers. Minerals in Goa. The state of Goa is endowed with mineral resources. Iron ore, manganese ore, bauxite are minerals of economic importance. Besides these are minor minerals like basalt, laterite stones and rubbles, river sand, marram, etc., which are in great demand as construction materials. The agricultural resources and production of crops in Jharkhand. Agriculture is the mainstay for the 80% of the rural population of the state. Agriculture is their employment and primary income generating activity. The cultivatable land resources of the state have good potential for a higher production of horticulture and forest products. The soil is young and has high capacity of fixation of humus. For all around agricultural development, technology must be supplemented by institutional mechanisms to ensure the provision of the essential facilities and services that the farmers need to improve agronomic practices and obtain higher yield. Only the development of a healthy agriculture marketing system can guarantee remunerative prices to the farmers and motivate the adoption of scientific cultivation for raising agricultural products. Major crops in Jharkhand. Rice is cultivated in 18 districts of Jharkhand. Rice area is one of the districts under medium low productivity group during 1998-1999 was 0.337 lakh hectares, which was 2.3% of the total area under rice in the state, and production was 0.53 lakh tons, which was 3.6% of total production of rice in the state. About 77% area of pulses in Jharkhand is available in 15 districts, namely Gumla, Palamu, Simdega, Gadwa, Latehar, Ranchi, West Singhbhum, Saraikela, Dumka, Giridih, Lahore-Daga, Hazaribagh, Pakur, Chatra and Sahibganj. Ranchi is the one of the two centers of the global maize product in South Asia. Hybrid maize was grown during Kharif 2014 and the crop was grown in rain-fed crop. The northern Jharkhand is relatively plain and fertile and where groundnut find place both as Kharif and Rabi crops. However, it is successful in Ranchi area. In southern Jharkhand, which is relatively hilly tract with the acidic soil, groundnut can be grown during Kharif season only. The groundnut is grown in patches in Gadwa, Palamu, Ranchi, Hazaribagh, Chatra, and Bokaro districts. The agricultural resources and production of crops in Goa. Goa, being a small state, is dependent on its neighboring states for milk, poultry, and vegetables. Rice, that is cultivated in the range from June to September, is the major crop, followed by cereals like pulses and small millets. However, even though one-fourth of the population is sustained by agriculture in Goa, it contributes to only 15 to 16% to the income of the state. Due to rapid urbanization, the availability of agricultural land is reducing. For high-quality planting materials, nursery and tissue culture laboratories are being promoted by the government. At Asonara, the Sagar Kaju nursery is amongst the biggest in Asia. To recharge the groundwater table and to harvest rainwater, simple watershed techniques are being used. The coastline of Goa is also rich in fishery resources, where the local fishermen usually catch a variety of fish such as sharks, mackerels, sardines, spearfish, etc. One can also see a lot of bamboo poles that shoot out of the water. These actually have fishing nets below the water line, and when the water recedes through the net during the low tide, the fish are trapped. Major crops in Goa. Rice is the staple food crop of Goa. The crop is cultivated in three different topographical situations, that is rain-fed uplands, rain-fed lowlands and coastline saline lands. The crop is being cultivated both during Kharif and Rabi seasons, with an area of approximately 67% and 33% respectively. Cashew is one of the most important plantation crops in India, as it brings its considerable foreign exchange earnings. In the state of Goa, it occupies the largest area among horticultural crops. This crop covers about 55,302 hectare area with an annual production estimated at 27,070 tons. Well-drained, deep, sandy loam soils are the best for growing cashew. Heavy clay soil are not suitable as cashew does not withstand waterlogging. In Goa, mango is successfully grown in lateritic and coastal sandy soils. Efforts are made to cultivate mango on hard rock by blasting rocks and refilling the blasted opening filled with good soil. The pH of the soil in the range of 5.5 to 7.5 is suitable. The water table below 2 meters throughout the year is desirable.